Hello, it's Doge. There is an easy way to get a lot of money in the crypto world. It is one of those ways. It's not a joke or a pyramid, some sort of gambling or a scam. There were about 6 or 7 of the largest airdrops, which caused huge movements on the markets and tons of shit flowing through Twitter. I will divide them by groups. The first group consists of Bitcoin and its forks, Bitcoin Gold and Bitcoin Cash. The third one is Litecoin and Litecoin Cash, which is basically useless. And the fourth one is Monero with monerov. Basically, it's a scam. So, what is an airdrop? Airdrop is also called fork or a hard fork. It is a way to create a new cryptocurrency without creation of a new brand and code. It's much easier to attract a community by distributing free coins to an existing user base, than starting from a Genesis block and convincing new users to join just on the belief in new technology. There are some reasons why a fork may happen. The main reason to make an airdrop or a fork is a disagreement inside the community. Also, hard fork may be a result of a new technology testing, like Callisto and Dogecoin. Those are the beta versions of a new technology which is being tested for the main Ethereum network. As a result of a prolonged disagreement on how to handle the Bitcoin scalability problem, a group of people not content with the segregated witness feature scheduled to activate decided to increase Bitcoin transaction capacity by 8 times. The change called a hard fork. It took effect on August 1st in 2017. As a result, the Bitcoin ledger called the blockchain and the cryptocurrency split in two. People didn't like big fees and a huge pending time of transaction in the Bitcoin network. They voted for a fork. Now it's Bitcoin Cash. If people don't like ASICs and mining, they create a fork of a currency which is ASIC resistant. It is Bitcoin Gold. If people want to mine on an old equipment, they fork. It is Litecoin Cash. Technically, the real Ethereum is Ethereum Classic, because it contains all the blockchain without changes. Disagreement inside the Ethereum community had led to the creation of a new coin. That's how Ethereum has appeared. I strongly advise you to read about Ethereum and Bitcoin forks by yourself, just to understand how controversial the situation is. If you want to try out new technologies, try fork. It is Callisto or a Dogecoin. Every fork is supported by a team of developers, unless it is a scam fork like Monero. So how to claim your free money? You just need to have coins on your wallet with all the secret keys and passwords by the day fork happens. Why? Because the new coin technically will be the copy of an old one. That's why you should have all the keys in your disposal beforehand. The main and the only universal rule is that all coins must be in your wallet before the fork happens. Sometimes exchanges may provide you with coins too, if you are holding them on your trading account, but usually it never happens. Because exchanges are scumbags and don't cooperate with fork developers. Do everything by yourself. Don't expect changes to help you. And one more tip. Beware of pumps and dumps just before and after the fork happens. Like it happened with Monero, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. And remember, there are no boring days in the world of crypto. That's all for now. Claim your free money and good luck.